Hello everyone, this is Satya Nikhil. You're watching me on my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to talk about the most stupid excuse you make as an addict. Yes, everybody make this excuse, but हाँ थोड़ा specific एक excuse है और you must know this. Make sure to watch the video till the end and subscribe to this channel. Let the intro begin. As every one of us, when we'll start from the point where we get addicted, the starting point. This starts with curiosity. When you're curious about taking a habit, whatever it is, the जो भी मैं words इस video में use कर रहा हूँ, you can use it for habits like smoking, drinking, gaming, overeating, whatever habit you would like to replace it as, you replace it depending on the addiction you have. Netflix देखना वो भी हो सकता है, तो you replace it. So first it starts with curiosity. क्या है इसमें? Why do many people do this? Why do many people use it? So it starts with curiosity, then it becomes a routine. You keep doing it again and again and it becomes a routine of yours. That routine turns into a habit and that habit turns into an identification. When I say identification, it is very important with what we identify ourselves with. So when you're addicted to something, you start to identify yourself with that specific action. You get so attached to that, you make it an identification of yours. You become a smoker when you smoke for so long. तुम्हारा identity बनता है, तुम्हारे अंदर बनता है वो. You may be aware of it or you may be not aware of it. That's a whole other story. But it becomes an identity for you. When you're identified with this, it turns into an addiction. जब तुम aware हो, unaware हो, दूसरी बात है. When this happens, that is when you can say that you are an addict. So when addiction happens, after you identify yourself, attach yourself to whatever that habit is, you will not and cannot and won't admit it, nor you will want to leave it. It happens with everybody. The intensity, the more good it makes you feel, that repetitively you repeat doing that same activity, that much of a routine it becomes in your life, that results in how much hard it becomes for you to admit that you are an addict. So because you won't admit it, you will find excuses to do it. Yes, it's natural that we find excuses to do it. The most biggest excuse, the most stupidest excuse is life is short. Yes, life is short, blah blah blah. मैं लाइफ में सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहता हूँ, मैं वो करना चाहता हूँ, ये करना चाहता हूँ, हर किसी चीज को एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए. This is the most stupidest excuse you can tell for yourself. Period. I would love to highlight this so much because here you go. Because you don't understand that word. Here the problem arises because that is true. The word which you say that life is short is truth. The word you say that life is short is truth. But you're telling it with your vocals. You only know that word. You don't understand that word. There is a huge difference between knowing something and understanding something. We'll talk about that later. But here in this scenario, you only know that and you do not understand that. The main problem is because it is a truth. You're using a true, real, understandable, life-changing philosophy as a red carpet to cover up your deadly addictions, to cover up your self-pleasuring things, to cover up your unforgivable, repetitive patterns. And this leads to two consequences. One, you are being dishonest with yourself, which might lead to many consequences later on. Two, you are not giving yourself the opportunity to grow out of it. You are not giving yourself the chance to grow out of that addiction. So this is the most stupid excuse anyone can make. I would highly suggest that if you are addicted to something, smoking, drinking, Netflix, overeating, whatever it is, admit your addiction and face it and think about moving away from it, think about bringing a change in it. The moment you admit it is the moment you end these excuses. And if you do not end this most stupid excuse, a spiritual psychological philosophy you pattern create just to sustain few habits, if you're using such a bigger philosophy which can change people's lives way totally from 0 to 100, it is a huge thing which will hold you back. To say, you for a fact, comrade, know that if you're making excuse or if you really understand that life is short. Because if you understand it, every action you take, everything you do, every habit you have, everything you possess, the whole perspective of yours will change if you understand that as a deep philosophy, because that is what it is, because that's what it's coming from, that is what it will take you to. But if you are using this just as an excuse, you will end up not understanding this as well as getting stuck in your addictive circles. Okay? So I hope you like this video. I know I could have made this video a bit more longer, but I want to be straight to the point. So as always, peace, and let the outro begin.
Perfect.
एंड हाँ, हर गांजा बाबा एक स्पिरिचुअल साइंटिस्ट बन जाएगा.